Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the language on Instagram app using iPhone. Let's launch the Instagram app first. Then you want to head to the lower right corner where you see your profile picture. Then you want to head to the top right corner and click on the three straight lines. When you're at the settings and privacy, I want you to click on it. Okay, click on settings and privacy. Then I want you to slowly scroll down. There is a special section over here which simply will allow you to do so. The section is under your app and media. There is a small section here, it says language. You want to click on it and Instagram will simply give you a prompt how to set up your Instagram app language. Due to the updates to your phone, there are different steps to change your Instagram language. First step will be to continue to the next screen. And second step will be to tap on the language to select the language you want. If no language setting is available, go to your general iPhone language setting to first set preferred language. Let's click on continue and see what will happen. Well, guess what? The same thing that happened when we try to change the language on YouTube app. In previous video, I showed you the process is very similar. Definitely go and watch this video as well. So what this app is doing, essentially they're creating a default version of your phone language. So if your phone language is different, for example French or German or Spanish, the app will match the language default on your phone. So this is where the app sends you to the device settings, to the language that is set on the device, on the phone, on the iPhone, and here you can change it. Very important, when you change the language from here, from English to whatever language you want, it will not only change the Instagram language, it will change the language in the whole iPhone. Okay, I want you guys to be aware of this. For more tips and tips like this, subscribe and come back for more.